How to fix the Steam not opening issue on Windows? Let's get started. First, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Search for Steam. Then right-click it and select End Task. Close Task Manager and check whether Steam has been closed completely. If it's still running, right. Click the Steam icon in the system tray and select Exit to close it completely. Second method, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Find the Steam folder and delete it. Lastly, open the Run dialog again. Type this command and click OK. As you can see, Steam is now working perfectly. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.